Right, so I guess I'm counted in. Welcome to InfoComm. I happen to be entering the booth, entering the show when I, number one, ran into Charbucks. So of course I've now been mic'd up. And I'm now also at the BrightSign booth with our Looking Glass partners. And Howard is here, so hey Howard.
Hey everybody.
We're gonna walk back.
How far do we have to walk to see?
Well, you know, here's the logo for IC26 as you enter, and there you go.
Look at it.
We've already got a bunch of customers lined up, so we need to go sell.
Yeah.
So please introduce yourself.
All right, so I'm Howard. I'm with Looking Glass Factory, and we're here in BrightSign's booth at ISC 2026, and we've got the 86-inch hololuminescent display on showcase, and of course we've got a crowd of folks enjoying the display, learning about the integration that we have with BrightSign and their media.
What's special about this one?
This one is special. It is one of the 4 that are in the wild right now. It does have a holographic alcove, and what's cool is we're nesting this 2D content on the same plane as the background. You add 2 contextual cues, some shadows and a light source consistent with that shadow, and you have this wonderful magical experience.
Yeah, this goes along with the other signs that we were showing, the other shows that we had at ISE in Barcelona earlier on this year and CES when we revealed the product for the first time. We're happy to say we're also finishing our first manufacturing production run. So it's oversubscribed. I do have 1 or 2 samples left, but that's it. Everything else has been sold. And you know,
you could be wrapping up, right?
Of course, that's the whole point. We're just finishing the first production run, which means we are ramping up. All of those go out to distribution partners who are then going to be widening the sales reach. So this is pretty exciting stuff for us.
What do people say about the quality of this experience?
Well, they're kind of wowed just by the actual experience itself. Obviously, this display is meant to stop people on the tracks, and that's exactly what it's doing. You know, there's a variety of use cases that you could use with this digital signage display, but today we're showcasing BrightSign's content management systems.
How does it compare with industry giants that try to do this?
Well, I can't say too much with fear of legal repercussions. So I'll just say that we've had great interest from some of our larger competitors whose names start with S in how we've released a product that's very comparable to something that they've done, and in some areas, in most areas, I consider to actually be market leading, as well as having an attractive bottom line.
So it's better.
Your words, not mine. I'll let the viewer decide. The best way is to get a sample or contact us, and we can start to maybe hook you up with one of these bad boys. We also have 16 and 27-inch versions, so something smaller if that's what the budget can afford.
And how's the partnership with the BrightSign? What is the goal to achieve with them?
Yeah, so the goal here is just to scale the ease of content distribution. So everybody in digital signage uses some sort of content management system. We're making sure that our display is integrated with everybody's box. Here specifically with BrightSign, they've got the most reach. We're partnering with the best companies in this space, and you know, we're trying to bring the best product to everybody.
So, I mean, honestly, what do you think about faytech?
We love faytech. I'm not paid to say this.
Hold on. Let me get here. Here you go.
No, we love faytech. We're able to do things because of faytech that we couldn't possibly do by ourselves. I think personally, they've been the greatest partner.
I think it's a marriage made in heaven. Yeah. We've got a lot of design and expertise in the 3D technology. I always want to say near field communication, but it's light field communication. So they've been experts in that field for 10 or 15 years. I've got to know the top guys in the company. I've been fortunate enough to, you know, have a beer with them and sit down and talk. And I think we've got the right partnership. They're very cutting edge, and that's where faytech likes to be, at the cutting edge of manufacturing technology.
We need more light fields.
We need more light fields. Yes. Right? Oh, the more fields, the better fields.
I'm guessing the roadmap could be pretty awesome. The discussions you might have on potential ways to go?
So we see some application with this for 3D avatars. A lot of people are interested in that. We're working on a microphone isolation technology that we've demoed successfully a few weeks ago at Computex in Taiwan. And we're going to look at maybe making a version that incorporates that as well as speakers and a camera into the next line. And I think we're also looking at 43 and 55 inch sizes as a more bang for your buck kind of solution in the digital signage market. So that's where I would say we're going in terms of roadmap.
Could you talk a little bit about some other setups recently that's been done with this, like other events or?
So we recently, we just won Display of the Year at Display Week.
Oh yeah, SID.
Yes.
SID display?
Yeah, Display Week. That was in LA this year, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But did you mention another event recently? Was it IEEE?
We were at IEEE, an energy conference where we were partnered with a creative agency and the end client. The end client had an avatar in the display, and it was answering everything to do with the core competency of their business. They had an amazing time. It did exactly what the display should do, stop people in their tracks.
It was a success?
It was a success.
So we're going to be looking at incorporating that further later this year in our product line.
And maybe it's not too hard to set up these AI avatars to make a great result?
I don't think so. I mean, I think everybody's racing towards embodied AI and avatars within digital signage. I think is where everybody's kind of pointed towards, and I'm proud to say that I think that we are at the forefront of that race.
Yeah, I agree. So anyone with great AI ideas, please reach out. Don't just like or subscribe, but actually reach out.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.